Hi, I'm Heidi Sherman with Brittle Family Law Group. John, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, I'm John Hatch of the Hatch Homes Group of Keller Realty.
John, have you seen any changes in your in either the market or your experience with home sales since the stay-at-home order and other COVID concerns have arisen?
Well, it's been dramatic. We've really had to pivot our business. We saw in the first week of the stay-at-home requirements, we saw transactions dive. People were spinning, wondering how it was going to affect business and what to do and how to change. Out of that has come some innovations, some standards that have rapidly been developed, and changes that we've adapted to. Want me to talk about some of those that we've implemented?
Yeah, modifications in how you do business, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd love to hear about that.
Yeah. Well, first of all, we realized that we have to present the home as well as possible digitally. We have to be able to present the home without having to view it, because we knew that viewing homes was going to be less of harder to do. So we introduced, we'd started to introduce, but we completely made a standard three-dimensional viewing, virtual tours, where we could really go in. We used the technology to really go in and be able to view the home. It enabled us to demonstrate the home, and using tools like Zoom to have a consultation with the buyer and to take them through the property and really give them a really good idea and point out the features of the home section by section without actually visiting the home.
And I've seen that, and it's fabulous.
Yeah. That's cool. So the whole social media side, presenting the home, and then the way we do consultations. Our offices are closed. The conference rooms where we normally meet with people are closed, so we're having to do things digitally. We've introduced standards so that when people show the home, the other agents come to our listings, they have to abide by standards. A lot like when you go to businesses and you fill out disclaimers, and there's certain rules. And we're encouraging masks, sanitizing homes. When we have a home prepared for viewing, we will go in, have the lights on, we'll have the doors and doors open, and as much open and unlocked as possible, so that people can go in. They don't have to switch lights on and off. They don't have to open doors. And, they can go in and sanitized and safe way, and then leave. And then we or the seller will lock up afterwards.
Mm-hmm. And so presumably whenever you sell a property and you're having a closing and that sort of thing, that's done remotely as well, I presume?
Yeah, we've had mobile signing. We've had a number of closings done on the hoods of cars in the driveways. But some escrow companies are accommodating in a consulting room, but a very safe and distance environment.
Mm-hmm. All right, thank you.